21 years after the lifeless bodies of Laci Peterson and her unborn son Connor washed up on the shores of the San Francisco Bay, widower Scott Peterson hopes new evidence will exonerate him of their murders.
He's never wavered in saying that he was innocent.
Legal affairs reporter Anjanette Levy says Peterson's defense team maintains burglars abducted Laci after she witnessed them breaking into a neighbor's home, then later killed her.
They shoved her into a van, leaving the dog there, and then took off.
But prosecutors say Peterson had motive for murder.
He wanted to live a child-free, wife-free life. He had an affair with Amber Fry, which, by the way, was some of the worst evidence against him.
The LA Innocence Project petitioned a judge to order new testing on more than a dozen pieces of evidence, including a mattress recovered from a burned-out van near the family's Modesto, California home. But in late May, the judge ruled investigators may only retest for DNA on a small piece of duct tape attached to Laci's leg.
There might be something there. There might not be.
Disappointed, but not unexpected. If I had known that this van had been burned out and that they had kept or found a mattress with blood, what was preliminary identified as blood, that I had more than one investigator who would have been running that down.
Scott Peterson's former attorney Mark Geragos tells Merritt Street and trial watchers he questions whether a small piece of duct tape will have any big impact on the outcome of the case.
I wouldn't speculate. I will tell you clearly that the other pieces to me were always more interesting from the get-go.
To this day, Geragos stands by his former client's innocence.
I think I have a pretty good sense of when somebody did something and whether they're capable of doing something. It's one of the only cases I can remember where I've ever called a nun as a character witness. Scott Peterson was never good for this.
For more great Trial Watchers content, please head over to our Patreon page. The website is on your screen.